The best free bank account in the UK will depend upon what you need the account for. You might need an account that's going to help you save money for a new car, or an account that you can open without proof of residency. So for this video, I've divided it up into various use cases that I hope will be relevant to you, and these categories can be accessed via the chapters below. Monzo is a great choice for anyone that's looking to move away from a traditional high street bank and try something new. They're a modern company with a smart, well-designed app that's really built around their customers' needs. Monzo also has one of the most advanced money-saving systems that we've come across from any of the digital banks. Their savings pots, which are essentially like having a separate balance to your main account, are a great way to help you save money. And not only do they have useful features such as roundups, but they also provide fixed pots with varying interest rates that are through third-party banks such as Oak North. Now, these interest products will vary, but right now on a 12-month fixed pot with a deposit of £500, you could earn 1.16% interest. And if that's not enough interest for you and you're not fussed by the features and day-to-day banking that Monzo provides, then Chase Bank and their Chase Saver account currently has 1.5% interest on balances up to £250,000. Now, I actually have a friend that's currently saving to renovate their kitchen, and with his partner, they're using a Monzo savings pot. Both of them, through their joint account, deposit a small amount of their salary each month into the pot and are using the roundup feature to deposit small amounts of change from each transaction. So if you and a partner wanted to save for something, Monzo could be a great choice for both of you. Although a quick note, Monzo does charge a fee of £1 for cash deposits, and you may incur fees when withdrawing money from an ATM if you exceed £250 per month. So there are some potential costs when banking with Monzo. Revolut is possibly the most famous fintech in the UK, and they have a pretty awesome platform which has a ton of services that you just don't get from a traditional bank. But because they're not yet a bank in the UK and deposits aren't FSCS protected, we only recommend them as a secondary account. Now, opening a standard account with Revolut is completely free, but you will be charged for the delivery of your debit card, which will set you back around £5. ATM withdrawals are also free up to £200 or 5 withdrawals per month, and transferring money to other Revolut users is also instant. So if you frequently send money to a Revolut user, then that might be a good reason to get an account. For international money transfers, Revolut has very low fees and pretty much uses the real mid-market exchange rate. With the free account, and as long as it's during the week, you can send or spend up to £1,000 in over 30 different currencies. If it's during the weekend with Revolut, you will incur a fee when spending or sending money internationally. They're ideal if you want to cut down on the high fees that come with banking abroad, especially if you want to spend less than £1,000 in a foreign currency and not on the weekends. There is an easy workaround to this. For example, if you're, say, partying in Barcelona on Saturday, you could just exchange pounds to euros on Friday and hold them in your account until you're ready to spend them for free on the weekend. Like Revolut, Wise are not a bank in the UK and instead are a money transfer company that's really well known for offering cheap international money transfers. However, money transfers aren't their only speciality. They also have a multi-currency account and card. This is a great card that we believe is the best for exchanging and holding foreign currency, whether it's for going on holiday or shopping online with a foreign company, or for sending money internationally. Unlike Revolut and, well, any other provider for that matter, with Wise you can receive bank details in not only the UK but also all of these other countries. So for example, you can receive US dollars into your US account and spend those dollars in the US for free, just like a local would. Not only that, but you can exchange and hold up to 56 currencies, and when you exchange any of those currencies, you'll only receive the real mid-market exchange rate. This means no hidden fees, and the fees they do charge are easily accessible through their website and app. The account also has no monthly charges, and you just have to pay for your debit card, which in the UK is £5 for a new one and £3 to replace. Now, what we don't like about this account is that you can't deposit cash or checks, and there are also fees to top up the account via debit and credit card. And if you did top up with a credit card, you'd likely receive a fee from your credit card company, as it would be considered a cash advance. But Wise really are useful for frequent travelers and expats. Let's say you're traveling from the UK to Spain and you'd like to spend euros while on holiday there. Well, with this Wise card, you'll be able to transfer pounds from your bank account to your Wise account and convert them to euros for a very low fee. For example, £1,000 would incur a fee of around £3 to £4. You could then pay for stuff in Spain using your Wise card for free. It's for this reason, as well as the access to bank details in 10 different currencies and the ability to exchange over 50 currencies, that makes Wise the best account in the UK for travelers, expats, and for online spending with foreign companies. Because Monese doesn't require you to prove your residency to open an account, we think they're best suited for new arrivals to the UK. And while we did give Monese an 8 on our Monito score, and they do provide some pretty great features, we had to give them a 6.6 for fees and exchange rates, because with their free plan, they charge £1.50 for ATM withdrawals, and foreign currency transactions that aren't in GBP, EUR, SEK, or RON incur fees of 2.5% during the week and an additional 1% at the weekends. But if you're looking for an account and you don't have proof of residency in the UK or EU, and perhaps your credit is poor, then unfortunately your choices will be limited. But being limited to a digital challenger bank like Monese isn't really a bad thing. They're still a great choice, and they offer multi-currency account details in GBP, EUR, and RON. And like Monzo and Starling, they also have money pots and a roundup feature. Their app is also well designed and easy to use, but be aware of the potential fees that I mentioned earlier, including ATM withdrawals and the potential international transaction fees. These are what make the free Monese account not the best when it comes to day-to-day banking and international spending. Starling is a fully fledged bank in the UK that has a pretty great fee-free current account with a ton of banking features. We gave them a 9.1 on our Monito score, particularly because of their great low-cost, low-fee services. I won't go into too much detail today. However, if you'd like to find out more about Starling, then do check out the video I made recently, which I'll link below. Starling is a bit of an all-rounder. Their well-designed app includes various innovative features and services, and similar to Monzo, they have a great savings product called Saving Spaces, and this also includes a roundup feature. Starling also provides great spending analytics, which includes the ability to categorize your spending into merchants, so you can see just how much you're spending with a particular company. This was particularly good for me and also frightening, because I realized just how much I was spending at Amazon. You'll also receive interest of 0.05% on your main balance, access to a Euro account, joint accounts, cash and check deposits, fee-free ATM withdrawals and transactions, both in the UK and internationally, which is pretty awesome. And you can also send money internationally with Starling, with the fees and exchange rates being both competitive and fair. They also offer overdrafts, although these can be charged at 15, 25, and 35% EAR, which is a bit high. Also, additional Starling accounts cost £2 per month, and replacing a card that's lost overseas could cost you as much as £60. Other than that though, it's pretty difficult to criticize Starling. I'm Johnny from Monito.com. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you do want to sign up for any of the providers I've mentioned today, please do use the links in the description box below. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.